What letter is this? This is letter Bay. Can you say Bay? Bay. What sound does Bay make? Boo, boo, boo. What word starts with Bay? Bizo, 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 Bizo. Bizo means goat. Bizo starts with Bay. Say it again. Bizo, Bizo, Bizo. What word starts with Bay? Boot, boot, boot. Boot means shoe. Boot starts with Bay. Let's see again. Boot, boot, boot. What word starts with Bay? Bizo, 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 Bizo. Bizo means monkey. Bizo starts with Bay. Say it again. Bizo, Bizo, Bizo. What word starts with Bay? Baran, Baran, Baran. Baran means rain. Baran starts with Bay. Say it again. Baran, Baran, Baran. What word starts with Bay? Bazaar, Bazaar, Bazaar. Bazaar means market. Bazaar starts with Bay. Say it again. Bazaar, Bazaar, Bazaar. What words start with Bay? Bizo, Bizo, Bizo. Boot, boot, boot. Bizo, Bizo, Bizo. Baran, Baran, Baran. Bazaar, Bazaar, Bazaar. They all start with Bay. Bay is a special letter. Let's say it one more time. Bay, Bay, Bay. Great job, my friend. You learned the letter Bay. We'll sing again next time.
Thank you for learning Pashto. Please like, subscribe before you go. With your help, we make much more fun Pashto videos and so much more. And don't forget to share with friends.